Morning everyone, happy Family Day Monday. I'm going to show you one of my most favorite and delicious and simplest breakfasts you can do using a Chinese eggplant. First off, peel your eggplant so it looks something along these lines right here. Step 2, wrap it in some plastic wrap on a microwave safe dish and pop it in the microwave on high for 3 minutes. While your eggplant is being microwaved, whisk up 1 egg and add a touch of kosher salt. Next step is heat up your nonstick pan if you have it and add a touch of vegetable oil. You don't need much, just a light drizzle. Sort of the same as if you were making French toast. Once your eggplant has been microwaved, remove it from the microwave and give it a couple cuts down just like this. Take your fork and flatten it like this. And you're going to take it and roll it all in that egg. Make sure it's well coated. And take it over here to the pan. Just move that oil around a little bit. I'm just going to lay that right down in there like that. Pour that egg over. I'm going to take that fork, just push that down like that. You can check the doneness just by grabbing this, taking a look. You're looking for something along the same lines as a French toast. So she's almost there. Once you're ready with the color on this side, grab yourself a set of tongs because that is fairly hot. And I'm just going to give that a little bit of a flip. Like that. Once you're happy with the color on the second side, which I am, take that, pour that onto a plate. Top it with a little bit of finishing salt. Our favorite is this Vancouver Island Flake Sea Salt. I'm just going to flake that a little bit over there. Just a touch of olive oil. A sprinkle of parsley. And there you have it. A lovely, amazingly delicious breakfast. It's basically 2 ingredients, egg and eggplant. You gotta try it. It's fantastic. Hope you enjoy it. Have a good day. Bye.